Nutrition is the fuel that energizes the body, boosts brain function, and strengthens overall health. Effective nutrition involves more than just counting calories. It's about understanding the quality and source of nutrients. Understanding key nutritional topics empowers individuals to take control of their diet and improve their well-being. This comprehensive guide covers popular diets, superfoods, and plans for specific nutritional goals. The guide emphasizes the importance of a balanced diet for overall health and well-being. Key topics are visually presented through clean, engaging, animated graphics. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. The keto diet is characterized by high fat intake, moderate protein, and very low carbohydrate consumption. The vegan diet excludes all animal products, focusing on plant-based foods. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes the consumption of olive oil, fish, fresh vegetables, and nuts. This dietary pattern is characterized by a high intake of healthy fats. The Mediterranean diet is rich in essential nutrients necessary for overall health and well-being. The ketogenic diet emphasizes high-fat foods such as avocados, meat, eggs, and cheese. The primary goal of the keto diet is to shift the body's metabolism to utilize fat as its primary energy source. By restricting carbohydrate intake, the keto diet induces a metabolic state known as ketosis. A vegan diet excludes all animal products, focusing instead on plant-based foods. Lentils and tofu serve as primary sources of plant-based protein in a vegan diet. Leafy green vegetables and fruits provide essential fiber and nutrients in a vegan diet. The optimal diet varies based on individual goals, health status, and lifestyle preferences. There is no universally superior magic diet suitable for everyone. Macronutrient ratios differ significantly across various popular diets. The term superfood refers to foods that are nutrient-dense. Superfoods are not miracle cures, but rather beneficial additions to a balanced diet. These foods provide a high concentration of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Superfoods encompass nutrient-rich foods that may offer health benefits. Spinach, a superfood, is rich in vitamins and minerals. Blueberries are recognized as a superfood due to their high antioxidant content. Adding spinach to a smoothie is a practical method for increasing nutrient intake. Incorporating blueberries into yogurt is a simple way to enhance the nutritional value of a meal. The focus should be on supplementing the diet with additional nutrients, rather than substituting complete meals. Weight loss nutritional plans focus on creating a calorie deficit to reduce body fat. Muscle gain nutritional plans emphasize a calorie surplus and high protein intake to support muscle growth. The core difference lies in manipulating calorie intake and macronutrient ratios to achieve distinct body composition goals. A weight loss plan emphasizes a caloric deficit. Effective weight loss plans include more vegetables, lean protein, and controlled portions of complex carbohydrates. Proper portion control is essential for achieving a caloric deficit in a weight loss plan. A weight loss meal typically emphasizes lean protein sources. Vegetables are a key component of a balanced weight loss meal. Combining lean protein and vegetables supports a calorie-controlled diet. A muscle gain plan requires larger portions of food to support muscle growth. The diet emphasizes protein and carbohydrates to provide energy and building blocks for muscle development. Creating a caloric surplus is essential for muscle gain, ensuring the body has enough energy to build new muscle mass. A muscle gain meal balances protein and complex carbohydrates. Brown rice, salmon, and broccoli exemplify a muscle gain meal. This meal provides essential nutrients for muscle growth and recovery. The core principle is not dietary restriction, but informed food choices. Consistency in dietary habits is paramount for sustained well-being. The nutritional quality of food significantly impacts overall health and energy levels. A balanced diet emphasizes variety to ensure a wide range of nutrient intake. Moderation is key to a balanced diet, avoiding overconsumption of any single food group. Balance, variety, and moderation are more important than any fad diet for long-term health and wellness. The healthy eating plate serves as a visual guide to balanced eating. This plate emphasizes the importance of vegetable and fruit consumption for optimal health. The healthy eating plate prioritizes whole grains and healthy proteins for a balanced diet. Consultation with a healthcare professional or nutritionist is advised for a personalized plan. Personalized healthcare plans are tailored to individual needs and health conditions. Seeking professional advice ensures appropriate and safe healthcare strategies. Individual body composition varies, necessitating tailored fitness and wellness strategies. Generalized fitness plans may not address specific physiological needs and could yield suboptimal results. A personalized approach optimizes health outcomes by aligning interventions with individual biological characteristics. Macronutrients, including proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, are essential components of a balanced diet. Proteins are vital for tissue repair, enzyme production, and hormone synthesis within the body. Carbohydrates provide the primary source of energy, while fats are crucial for energy storage and hormone regulation. Vitamins and minerals are essential micronutrients required for overall health. Micronutrients play crucial roles in various bodily functions, supporting energy production and immune response. Adequate intake of micronutrients is vital for maintaining optimal physiological function and preventing deficiency-related diseases. Adequate hydration is essential for maintaining bodily functions and overall health. Water and fruits with high water content are effective sources of hydration. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, reduced cognitive function, and impaired physical performance. Portion control can be visually demonstrated using everyday objects as size references. These visual comparisons aid in understanding appropriate serving sizes for different food groups. Using visual cues promotes better portion management and mindful eating habits. Food labels provide essential information about a product's nutritional content. Key components of food labels include calories, macronutrients, fats, carbohydrates, protein, and micronutrients, vitamins and minerals. Understanding food labels enables informed dietary choices and promotes healthier eating habits.